Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing Laravel 11 full course and this part 91 week time filter in Laravel 11, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Let's start this video. First of all, my gem server already started, Apache and MySQL. This is already started, and this is run already localhost PSP. My admin inside this real estate underscore Laravel underscore 11. This is a project, and this is a list of table is available. Inside this table is available week time table. This table is a filtering. This week time, this is a time table is a filtering is a implementation, and this my project is available gem folder. Inside this htdoc folder, inside this is a project. This is a project is already open. This my Sublime text editor. Let's cmd this project directly inside cmd inside this PSP artisan server. PSP artisan server successfully working. This directory inside. Let's same here, copy this URL is a copy and hit this browser. Successfully project is a run, good working this latest version. Let's /admin login successfully. This is a login screen is available. Let's admin@gmail.com, password 1234567889, and click this login and not now. Successfully login, good working. Let's click this week time. This is a click this week time, and this is the implement inside this search box. This is a date time wise is a search box is a implementation. This is a time wise search box is a implementation. Let's first of all this open. This is a file is open. This resource view admin, and this is a week time. Inside this is a list file. This list file is available. This is a add file, and this please check this all previous video. Inside this all implementation. This is a list file is available. This list file, please write down this list file. Let's font small, and inside this is the implementation filter bar. Let's click this is a order. Inside this list file is open. Let's search bar is open. So all copy and paste here. This copy and inside this paste here. Successfully paste, good working. This is the extra is not remove. This is not use. This all remove, and this only first name is a successfully all remove. Please write down inside, and this is a week time is a implementation week time. Save file, and this first of all this is a id name. This is a id. Second is the same name is a copy. Same first is id implement. Second is a name. Week time name. This is a name is a implementation. The same here, copy and paste here. Week time name is a implementation search, and this reset button is a reset button. Week time is same here, copy and paste here. Successfully all implement. Let's refresh this page. This is a working fine. First this is the id is a implement 1 2. This is a implement. Next this is a name is a implementation. This is a search bar, and reset. Click this. Inside this is a reset implement. Inside this any number this is implement, and click this reset, and this is a reset, and this is automatically blank, and this is a reset is a working fine. Successfully working fine. And this id, this is a name is a id, and name is a name. In this name id, and inside this is available id name. Two field is available. Inside this two field is a implementation. This name and id. Same here. Please write down step by step. Successfully set. And same here. Copy this URL. Copy and this is a route. Inside this file is available web.php. This file is open, and find this. This route is available. Good working. This is the route is available. Same URL is available. Let's user time control is open. Inside this function is available. Use the time control open, and inside this function week time list is available. Let's use the time controller open. Use the time controller inside this function is available. Use the time controller. This is available. This name, this function is available. Good working. This function is available. Inside this is all available. Good working. And this is a die and save file, and this is a blank. This file is a working fine. This refresh this page successfully. This is a blank. And this admin week time and list, this file is already available. This is a admin inside this week, and this list file inside this is a all included. This is a included. Good. Inside this is a new record is a create. Otherwise inside this join query is a inside this is a implementation source record. Let's get all. This week time model is open. Week time model, this is a model available. Week time model inside this model inside this week time model. This model is available. Good working. This is a fine, successfully working fine. This is a week time table. This table is a implementation. Let's refresh this page, and this is available. Let's refresh this page. Die is a remove. This die is a remove. Inside this die is a remove. This inside this die is a remove. Let's get record all. Save file. Let's copy this name inside this static public function and paste here. And this return self select, and this table name is available. Same here, table copy and paste here dot. This is a get. This is a no issue. Same here working fine. This is the same here working fine as it is the same. Good working, not a different. This is a fine. This is a fine. Let's inside this join query is a implementation join. No join nahi. Okay, this is a join, not implementation. This is a get record, and this is a inside this is a implementation search bar. This copy and paste here dollar return, and close this. Same here copy and paste here inside this paste, and this paste again, and this same here copy, this copy and paste is equal to self select, and this is a close. This is a working fine. Let's refresh this page. Yes, it is a working good. This is a working good. Inside this if is empty, and this is already inside this week model, not inside not this is available. This same here copy this to copy, and inside this paste here, and this is remove. This remove, first of all this is a id. This open first is id. Same here copy id, and inside this id paste and paste, and this table name is a same. This is a name. Good working. Second is available. This is a name. Same here name copy this name and name. Table name is a set. Week name. Successfully this is a source record. Good working. This is a fine, and this is the implementation. This is a request is a already implementation. First of all this is a write down step by step. This is a all write down. Next inside this is available this function inside this model is a new model is a function is a create. Let's other file is a extra is a this is not used. Let's refresh this page, and this implement 6 number in this is a record is a show. Less 6 number is a source. Successfully this is only 6 is a source. Let's 0 implement and source, and this is a not available. This record is a not available, and this is a blank. Let's 7 number is a source, and this is a 7 number is a implementation. Good, working. This 7 number is available in reset, and this is a URL is a reset. Good, working. This is a fine, successfully fine. Let's this record is the same here, copy and paste here and search, and this record is available 1 3. This is available. Let's inside this is a 2 implement 2, and this is a different record is a search, this 2 0. This is available. Let's inside this is a 0 0 implement 0 0 and search, and this different value is a search. Good, working. This is a time schedule is a searching. This is AM, and this PM search, and this is a PM search. This is a fine. Let's this is a time schedule wise is a search record is a good, working. This search bar filter is a search successfully working. This only simple model wise searching, otherwise is a not a possible. This model wise is a implementation. This is any doubt, so please contact this my errorsolutioncode.com official website, and please check this is a description. Please my channel subscribe and click the bell icon. This is a website inside this available. This description inside this website is available. Please click this in new website development, so please contact 7 year experience. Lots of inside available project. Please buy any very low price. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.